You know, other rides, maybe the normal guy comes to the room, comes to the camp spot, kicks back, has dinner, tells the stories. Not for me, or not for Fire Freddy. We got to come back and put all the gear back together, charge batteries. Mainly, we turn it into a charging station. Check it out. Freddy stuff. Okay. So, this is it. This is 2019 right here, videos for the channel. One camera on this trip, but I'm charging batteries for this, the GoPros, my phone obviously, a couple lights too. I have my light over here, 2 lights, 4 cameras, and we're charging those. We've got to make sure they're charged for tomorrow, and usually I bring enough charging cables. I will say this though. How many times out of all the stuff I bring, I never bring it all. I always forget one stupid thing. Okay, and you know who the MVP of getting stuff for the thing I forget the most? The MVP is my iPhone charger. Okay, you think I'd bring that, but usually I have my one in my truck. It's kind of sucky, but the long good cable that charges the phone fast, I always forget it. And if I don't forget that, it's something else. And then yeah, chain lube. This is good for air freshener for your hotel room when things get a little musty and smelly too. Nice sweet vanilla scents, right, Freddie?
Absolutely.
Oh, and so here's the you got to have your knives. So 2 different ones. This is my Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops. It'll cut rope, good for those tow trips. If you got to cut some wire, or not full on heavy gauge wire, but it'll do the job. And here's Freddy's. I wanted to show everybody his. His is an automatic. This is illegal in California.
Not when you have
Okay,
a badge.
Gavin Newsom does not want you to have this knife, but Freddy has a license to carry this. But you can see Freddy chooses a, what do we call this? A half and half?
Sure, the half serrated, half straight edge.
Yeah, so this is good for just cutting through gnarly stuff, and then here you can cut up limes and Baja, or you know, put on mayonnaise on your sandwich in the middle of the adventure. But however, I have a new knife coming from Boker, and we'll show you guys that as soon as that comes in. Yeah. Lenses, recorders for interviews, which I really try my best to get people to give me interviews, but they're usually weird and they're like, what is this for? And it's like, I'll just get on the road and film that. Also want to let you guys know I have new t-shirt designs in the Bermcannon Adventure Store. The link is in the description box below, and then here's some other videos that I can take you and you can also check out. We'll see you guys next time.